Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you know it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go, follow me to another land. Try to understand, and I just wanna see the colors and the rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Forever. Just and I just wanna see the colors and the rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just wanna see. Just wanna see.
Hi, so I did my morning workout. I feel really good. I'm going to have my breakfast now, and I'm going to prepare some meal. So I'm going to make some salmon and broccoli and rice, and I'm going to make two, so I have something to eat today and tomorrow. So see you in the next one. Bye. So this is what I'm cooking right now. It's broccoli, it's done, and this is the salmon with pepper and salt and some lemon juice. And here is the rice. It's cooking. It's gonna be very nice when it's done. So here is the final broccoli, the rice with the lemon sauce that I made with, and this is just cooking the salmon one side, and I flipped it over. It is looking really good. And this is going to be my lunch: salmon, rice, broccoli in hollandaise sauce, and I have the same thing tomorrow. So this meal prep was successful.